Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This is 25 feet, 3.5 millimeter stereo audio headphone extension cable, male to female. I got this for $4.59, but with the tax, it came out to be $4.99. So let's go and then unwrap this. Well, mainly I purchased this for my kit that I got from Comica for the DJI. So I got this professional microphone. It is a stereo microphone. And then what I'm trying to do is try to use this DJI to film. With this 3.5 millimeter jack is too short. So in case I want to in case I want to attach this microphone closer to me, I will need to add the extension cord because the cable is too short. So let's go and then unwrap this. Wow, so yeah, it's pretty long, 25 feet. Actually, I don't really need that long, maybe like 6 feet or whatever, but you never know. I might need to do something that is going to be further distance. I'm going to wrap this up. Just going to give you guys a quick test real quick. So I will need to plug this in to the DJI. I'm still waiting for this adapter. The seller said that they have two warehouses. One is in Irvine, the other one is in New Jersey or New York. So I guess Irvine was sold out, so they had to ship it from New Jersey. So as you know, the hot season right now, Christmas time, it's gonna be a little bit delayed from New York. So I'm gonna use this to plug this in to the adapter, and then I'll run this wire to my table and then plug this in, because this is a high quality microphone, so it's gonna be very clear by Comica. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. I'll be including the links for these two products so you guys can check them out. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.